Lastimosa is open. 3-point country, yes! Jolas connects with a triple V. Glenn Capasio ngayon. Lamang kay Carriazo. Cordillera from the outside, yes! 6-0 lead by the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Nilabas ngayon kay Glenn Capasio. Capasio, Racela is open. Wala. And Abarrietos with the rebound for Alaska. Johnny Abarrietos zigzagging. Carriazo handing it out the ball. Hawkins. Abarrietos, corner shot. Papasok, yes! Lamang na ang Alaska.
From the last game when they shot less than 30%. Ito naman ang pumapasok.
Well, Jojo Lastimosa, hindi nila binantayan. Nalibre po doon sa gilid. Glenn Capasio has it. Nakakita na po sa loob. Lumayap. Nahawakan o natapik ng konti ni Bong Hawkins. There's a steal by Olsen Racela. Pero gumulong po palabas ang bola. Maaga pa kinito. Grabe na hiyawan dito sa larong ito.
Ng Pure Foods. And you have him receive and a counter steal by Racela.
Inside pass broken up. Lago ni Carriazo. Carriazo forward to Lastimosa. Over to Capasio breaks it up.
Ano naman ito? One turnover after another.
Ruben De La Rosa sumagsak sa loob. Offensive foul.
Tama yung tawag. De La Rosa, a little bit overeager in his attempt to score. Panuuri po natin muli. Good solid defense by Jojo Lastimosa.
Alaska. And number 14, Johnny Abarrietos. And now number 6, Jojo Lastimosa. Number 32, Edward Winger. And forward number 22, Jeffrey Carriazo. And number 16, Bob Hawkins. Assistant coaches are Arthur Rosario, Joel head coaches Tim Cohn. And now starting for Pure Foods, TJ Hot Dogs. At guard, number 17, Olsen Racela.
Alright mga kaibigan, balik po tayo dito sa Araneta Coliseum in Cubao, Quezon City. Nais po natin bumating muli na isang magandang gabi sa lahat po ng ating mga kababayan sa buong Pilipinas na sumusubaybay sa Philippine Basketball Association. Punong-puno po ang Araneta Coliseum at handang-handa na ang mga tao rito upang masaksihan ang isa na namang makasaysayang sagupaan between Alaska Milk and the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Nakikita po ninyo sa inyong mga screens ang mga first 5 o starting units ng dalawang koponan. Huinio, Abarrietos, Lastimosa, Hawkins at Carriazo para sa Alaska. Pure Foods with Cordillera, Racela, Capasio, Reyes at Evangelista.
Wala si Patrimonio sa starting lineup ng Pure Foods. And Pure Foods going with a combination that has muscle. Edmund Reyes, taong bato. Nandyan din si Rey Evangelista to play defense and claim the rebounds.
Saka pala mga kaibigan, ang ating mga referee para sa larong ito ay sina Baile Desma, Ernie De Leon at si referee Tangonan. Yan po mga kaibigan ang tatlong mga ginoo na siya po magpapatrolya dito po sa larong ito. Scoreless tie so far. Glenn Capasio has it. Nakakita na po sa loob. Lumayap. Nahawakan o natapik ng konti ni Bong Hawkins. There's a steal by Olsen Racela. Pero gumulong po palabas ang bola. Maaga pa kinito. Grabe na hiyawan dito sa larong ito.
Ito, panuuri natin itong replay. And there you have Racela almost with the steal, running out of space.
Johnny Abarrietos to Jeffrey Carriazo. Nag-aabang na pasa si Coach Huinio. Ito na. Natapik ni Glenn Capasio. Nakuha ni Edwin Reyes. Capasio forward to Rey Evangelista. Against Hawkins. Evangelista scores underneath the first 2 points of the ball game.
And that's a good sign for Pure Foods. Scoring in transition. Going for the high percentage shot. Kagaya ng binanggit natin kanina, if you don't get the transition baskets, you've got to execute to get a high percentage shot. Yun, high percentage shot. Hindi lang pumasok. Open
Carriazo
shot.
with a miss. Edmund Reyes para sa rebound. Binigay kay Rey Evangelista. Siya nagbababa ng bola para sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Lumusog kay Lastimosa. There's a double team.
Ang layo ni Jerry Cordillera from the inside. And he's drawing the big man outside with him. Inside operation, yes!
Maganda sana yung abang ni Lastimosa. Alam niya kaliwete si Rey Evangelista. Pero nag-fumble na konti si Rey Evangelista. And that proved to be a blessing. At ngayon po mga kaibigan, ang 4 na puntos ng Pure Foods, lahat galing kay Rey Evangelista.
Evangelista enjoying the height advantage over Lastimosa at the low block.
And Evangelista has the rebound. After that, missed by Jojo Lastimosa.
Mukhang wala na sakit dito si Rhea Evangelista at hindi
Oo.
na nakasuot ng t-shirt.
Tama. Dalawang laro, dalawang games, nasuot-suot niya yung
T-shirt.
may manggas na t-shirt sa
Oo.
loob ng kanyang sando dahil nilalagnat daw ito si Rhea Evangelista. Glenn Capasio ngayon. Laban kay Carriazo. Cordillera from the outside. Yes! 6-0 lead by the Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs in game number 5. 9.5 minutes to go in the first quarter. Jojo Lastimosa sumaksak sa loob. Nakita yung Bong Hawkins libre! Kung matatandaan po ninyo mga kaibigan, kanina sa ating pre-game ay karamihan po na sinasabi ng mga taga-Alaska at ngayon na rin mga taga-Pure Foods kung sino makauna, ika nila, yung maging agresibo sa unahan pa lang, malaki ang tsansa na manalo sa laro. Tingnan natin kung sino, ay agresibong-agresibo Pure Foods ngayon.
Hindi lang agresibo, but they are making their shots.
Yes.
Particularly from the outside. They've taken 2 attempts from the outside. Parehong pumasok.
Isa kay Cordillera at isa kay Racela. They have a 6-point lead. We're talking about Pure Foods. Quino, binigay kay Carriazo. 4 seconds on the shot clock. Lastimosa is open. 3-point country. Yes! Jolas connects with a triple V. At alam mo, kinito, napansin ko kanina sa introduction ng mga players, usually, mas maraming fans ang Pure Foods kesa sa Alaska. Aminin natin yan. Pero sa gabing ito, mga kaibigan, medyo nabanaag ko, naobserbahan ko, mas malakas ang sigawan ng mga taga-Alaska. Sapagkat marami nagpunta rito na nag-aabang ng celebration pagkatapos ng larong ito.
Totoo yan. Everybody loves a winner. And as you mentioned, Alaska needing just one more win. Isa pa nga. Ika nga. To be able to clinch this championship. Now, marami mga defensive adjustments itong Pure Foods, and I think Pure Foods is catching Alaska a little bit off guard. For instance, one adjustment that we've seen is Rhea Evangelista taking on Johnny Barrientos in the backcourt.
Alam mo, ginawa na nila yan dati and it worked for
Yes.
them. Pero tingnan natin kung ganyan pa rin ang magiging matchup dito. Si Racela ngayon ang babantay kay Johnny Barrientos. Yan naman kay Bong Hawkins. Lamang ng 3. Ang Pure Foods 8-5. Barrientos. Racela pa rin nagbabantay sa kanya. Barrientos puts it up. Short on the try. Glenn Capasio para sa rebound for Pure Foods. Capasio umatake para sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Binigay na naman kay Rhea Evangelista. Evangelista binabantay ni Jojo Lastimosa. He is double team. He is triple team. Jerry Cordillera. Binatayan ni Poch Sueño. Nilabas ngayon kay Glenn Capasio. Capasio. Racela is open. Wala. And Barrientos for the rebound for Alaska. Johnny Barrientos, zigzagging. Carriazo, handing it out to Bong Hawkins. At isa na lang ang lamang ng Pure Foods. Our score standing at 8-7 dito po sa ating first quarter.
Yan ang speed game ng Alaska, and they always look for the extra pass. They always look for the open teammates. So unselfish on the part of the Alaska players.
Tira ni Capasio, wala. Jerry Cordillera, turnaround jumper, wala pa rin. At magkakaroon ng loose ball foul. Lumipad si Glenn Capasio. Ngunit natanganan siya ni Jeffrey Carriazo. Tatawagan po ng unang personal foul si Jeff Carriazo. Samantala, unang substitution para sa Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs. Nilabas si Rhea Evangelista. Pinasok na naman ang isa pa rin Leiteño. Si Ruben De La Rosa po ang pumasok ngayon para kay Rhea Evangelista.
Ed, sumasama na yata ang field goal percentage from the outside ng Pure Foods. And you have him steal and a counter steal by Racela.
Inside pass broken up. Lago ni Carriazo. Carriazo forward to Lastimosa. Over. Capasio breaks it up.
Ano naman ito? One turnover after another.
Ruben
Here's
De
the
La Rosa
speed game.
sumaksak sa loob. Offensive foul.
Tama yung tawag. De La Rosa, a little bit overeager in his attempt to score. Panuri po natin muli. Good solid defense by Jojo Lastimosa.
Medyo umilag si Ruben De La Rosa pero not enough. At nabangga pa rin niya si Lastimosa kaya tinawagan siya ng offensive foul. Kung nakita ninyo ang pagpapapadyak ni Coach Chot Reyes, talaga namang makikita niyo ang gigil na gigil sa Coach Chot Reyes.
Partner, nakita natin, isang malaki is taking on Johnny Barrientos when he crosses the timeline. Then, when the half-court set of Alaska sets up, Racela takes on Johnny Barrientos. But I think what Chot Reyes wants to do is to have a big man take on Barrientos as he brings down the ball. Now, the reason for that, of course, is to obstruct his vision.
Alright, narito kayo si Johnny Abarrientos. Corner shot! Papasok! Yes! Lamang na ang Alaska. Alaska takes the lead. 9-8.
Alex Araneta viewing the action here at courtside. Alam mo pare, nasabi natin kanina, itong outside shooting ng Pure Foods kanina, napakaganda, 2 out of 2. But as we mentioned, they have missed their last 3 outside shots. They cannot rely on that outside shot. They've got to take the ball up close. Here we go once more on the attack, Alaska.
Coach Chot Reyes, ayun, nagwawala. Nagwawala si Coach Chot Reyes dahil he felt there was a foul.
Baka mabigyan ng technical. I think he will be given a technical.
Yes, he has been called a technical, yes. Kanina pa, tinawagan na siya ng technical ni referee Ernie De Leon. Noong pa lamang unang bugso ni Coach Chot Reyes. At ito, hinahamon na ni Coach Chot Reyes. Sabi niya gano'n. Tawagan niyo pa ako. Well, alam natin yung emotion na kinito talaga namang napakataas dito. Meantime, we have a timeout. Okay, mga kaibigan, pumasok po yung technical free throw ni Jojo Lastimosa. And so now, Alaska leads it by 2, 10-8. Alalahanin po ninyo, kanina, lumamang ng 6 ang Pure Foods at 6-0. Pero ito na po, Alaska na lumalamang. Jojo Lastimosa, nabitawan ng bola. Saka pala si Alvin Patrimonio is already...
Papagating ko sana ngayon.
Oo.
Patrimonio's inside in place of Jerry Codiniera.
At nakita po ninyo, ito po ang nangyari kanina si Coach Chot Reyes. Talagang he was livid after he felt that there was a non-call nung drive ni Jerry Codiniera.
Well, I feel that Coach Chot Reyes wants to fire up his boys. And you ask the question, why so early will he explode?
Uy! Offensive foul. Referee by Ledesma calling it at pumapalakpak si Coach Chot Reyes. Tingnan natin to. Ayun. Natabig ni Alvin Patrimonio ang kanyang bantay at tinawagan siya ng offensive foul right in front of referee by Ledesma.
Well, so far, very early in this game, not very good poise being shown by Pure Foods. And talk about poise, that's a turnover. And nakakulit Coach Chot Reyes yung bola. Sabi niya, baka naman bigyan niyo sa Alaska ang bola.
Okay, medyo mainit talaga si Coach Chot Reyes. Ayan, nakikita ninyo, Pure Foods mga kaibigan, na overtake na ng Alaska.
Well, that is the reason why Coach Reyes wants to fire up his boys because the Hot Dogs have not been able to score the last 4 minutes. He wants the boys to show some fire on the court.
Alam mo, pinito, sa kasulukuyan, nakikita ko, ang hustle ng Pure Foods ay napakalakas. Ilang agaw na yung nagagawa nila. Yun lamang, hindi pumapasok yung mga tira nila.
Well, again, that's a carryover from the last game when they shot less than 30%. Eto naman ang pumapasok.
Well, Jojo Lastimosa, hindi nila binantayan. Nalibre po doon sa gilid. At nakita niyo naman yung mga fans ng Alaska. Talaga namang they're really whooping it up. They can feel and they can taste the championship. Ruben De La Rosa, kapos. 5-point lead by Alaska at 13-8. Johnny Abarrientos, binabantayan ni De La Rosa. Abarrientos pa rin. Inikutan si De La Rosa. Carriazo sa bandang gilid. Goes baseline. Short jumper by Carriazo. Wala, hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Edmond Reyes. Pero meron daw holding foul. Nakita sa referee De Leon. Johnny Abarrientos picking up his first personal foul. This is the third team foul for Alaska Milk in the first period. Ang Pure Foods merong isa. We have 4 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in the first period. At meron na naman tayo substitution dito sa posisyong ito. Nakakatatlo na si Coach Chot Reyes. Una niyang nilaro si Evangelista, sumunod si De La Rosa, ngayon naman si Bong Ravena.
Ito naman si Coach Tim Cohn is very comfortable with his starting unit. It's a speed combination. Andiyan si Carriazo, Abarrientos, and Lastimosa. And he likes to use that combination because it sets the pace for his team. Ito na naman si Abarrientos. He is the heart and soul of this team.
Pumukol kanina si Bong Ravena na hindi expected pero nakuha naman ni Johnny Abarrientos yung rebound. Pang-apat na rebound na yan ni Johnny Abarrientos dito sa larong ito. Abarrientos is open! Masyado malakas. Carriazo! Fouled underneath by Edmond Reyes. Uy! At medyo malakas yata yung foul na yun. Carriazo's holding on to the back of his head. Medyo si Cariaso po ay nasaktan. Tingnan natin to. Nakukuha po ni Cariaso yan. At sa panggigigil ni Edmund Reyes, ayaw niyang, ayaw niyang makascore si Cariaso sa ilalim. Natamaan po sa likod ng kanyang ulo.
Well, the mortal sin in that particular play of Pure Foods was there was no body to screen off Jeffrey Cariaso. Cariaso, not exactly the team's top rebounder, but still was able to snare that offensive rebound because there was no body that separated him from the ball and the basket.
Well, kaya nga sinabi mo, Kinito, dito sa team ng Pure Foods, kilala itong si Edmund Reyes na ika nga'y taong bato. So, sinalage niya ng sweet shooting na si Jeffrey Cariaso. Isa lang ang pwede mangyari dyan. Isa lang ang pwede masaktan doon sa sagupaang yun.
Binato si Jeffrey Cariaso. Ni taong bato.
Si Edmund Reyes, apparently, ang kanyang objective doon talagang hindi maka-score si Cariaso sa ilalim. Hindi siya mabigyan ng 3-point play. And in that respect, he succeeded. Although, he also picked up the foul.
Well, of course, the intention of Edmund Reyes is that in a situation like this where there's a lot of pressure, you will want the player whom you will foul to earn the shots from the free throw line rather than just get an easy layup. And it looks like his gamble paid off. Cariaso missing his first charity.
Isa pa, syempre, gusto mo maramdaman ng kalaban ng depensa. Sapagkat next time around, medyo magdadalawang isip yung tao na sumaksak ulit. Diba? Kita mo naman, ibang style naman yung fan na yun, ha? Bong Ravena. Glenn Capasio. Jose Rasala will set it up for Pure Foods. They're behind by 6. Ganyan din yung lamang nila kanina. 6-0. Pero Machado naman ngayon ng Alaska. Glenn Capasio trying to get closer. Sees Ravena inside. At referee Tangonan spots a foul. Pushing foul underneath. Bong Hawkins first personal foul on the Hawk.
Pure Foods playing with a very small lineup. Wala si Codinera and Patrimonio. You know that he is really not 100%. Although
Yes.
Eric Altamirano said he's 98%.
Hindi pa rin 100.
I don't. I think he's certainly much less than 98%. We're trying to observe how he moves, but you notice he's not moving inside.
Ganda naman ang pilit na Edmund Reyes.
Nakakaintihit. At unexpected shot ni Edmund Reyes. Well, this is what Pure Foods used as a formula to win game number 3. Naging very unpredictable ang kanilang offense because they did not go to Alvin Patrimonio as the first option because Patrimonio hardly played in that contest.
Well, he played the first minute and a half. Pagkatapos naging cheerleader na lang siya sapagkat medyo masakit talaga nun yung kanyang injury. Well, that was a long silence broken by Edmund Reyes at ngayon meron na naman silang pagkakataon pero Bong Ravena missed on a jumper. Ito na, fast break play ng Alaska. Bong Hawkins against Patrimonio. Bibigyan po ng dalawang free throw si Bong Hawkins.
3-on-2 situation. Patrimonio, no recourse but to foul Hawkins. Take a look at it again.
Well,
Now
Hawkins
instant replay.
was really going to challenge Alvin Patrimonio's defense, but Patrimonio gave up the foul. We have this timeout. Bong Hawkins at the line for 2 free throws. Boy, taboy. Si Rudy Fernandez po yan, mga kaibigan. At mahilig din yan sa sports. Naging presidente yan ng organization ng mga artista. At nagkaroon sila ng mga Star Olympics. Yan ang pet project yan eh. Okay, mga kaibigan, 15-10, a 5-point lead for Alaska Bill. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining in the first period. Alvin Patrimonio, naagaw bola. Na-double team siya ron at naagawan.
And he'll be tagged for another turnover. Ito si Hawkins coming in and he will be fouled, going strong to the hoop.
Edmund Reyes will be guilty of his second personal foul. At yan po ay pang-apat na team foul ng Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs.
Partner, one indication why we say that Patrimonio is not 100% was that particular play. When he had the ball at low post, he could not outmaneuver the defense of Alaska. In fact, nag-collapse nga ang depensa ng Alaska kay Alvin Patrimonio, as you see in very animated conversation. The PBA Commissioner, Emilio June Bernardino, with Tommy Manotoc.
Commissioner Tommy Manotoc of the
Yes.
Professional Golfers
Golfers
Association of the Philippines. Ikaw sa kanungulusyon.
Di mahirap.
Wala.
Mahirap na mga misyon.
Oh. Okay, 17-10. 7 puntos na lamang ng Alaska Milk. Dito pumaran na the ball game for the first time. By Johnny Abarrientos. Pangalawa na yan ni Johnny Abarrientos.
Coach Chotres very active in shuffling his men. If you notice, Ed, he's continuously putting fresh legs inside the court. Dito pumaran, for instance, tapos si Evangeliste is about to check in. Rodney Santos is in the game.
Well, wala na rito yung starting unit ni Coach Chot Reyes, except for Edmund Reyes.
Yes.
Ito si Rodney Santos, lamang kay Carriazo. Santos, sumagsak sa loob, nilabas kay Dindo Pumaran. Pumaran nagalangan, Bong Ravena, lumalapit inside the lane. He misses the shot and he will be awarded 2 charities. Merong foul na tatawagin, tinan natin, mukhang Johnny Abarrientos naman ito. Pangatlo na yan. That is the 3rd personal foul on Johnny Abarrientos. Maaga pa ito, Kinito.
Well, with 1:30 to go, usually when a key player like Abarrientos picks up a second foul in the first quarter, uupo na. But Coach Tim Cone took a very big gamble in keeping Abarrientos inside the game. Nabasa naman yun ni Coach Chotres. Kanya nag-drive in ito si Ravena at nakahuli ng pangatlong foul ni Johnny Abarrientos.
Actually, Kinito, kanina pa nandun si Jun Reyes sa officials table. Oo, papasok na sana siya.
Wala lang pagkakataon.
Naunahan siya ng foul. Pangatlong foul ni Johnny Abarrientos. Dalawang sunod yun
Alam mo, gambit din yan ng Pure Foods. And take a look at Alaska's run, 15-3. Eto si Gomez na.
Nako.
Baseline jumper.
Ayan ang role ni Ruel Gomez. At alam na alam ni Ruel yan. Kahit na ilang minuto lang siya maglalaro. Pero pagka nakapukul yan ng maganda at umiskor yan, ika nga ay sulit na.
Eto si Ravena. Of course, trying to low post Ruel Gomez. He has an advantage. Gomez not exactly Alaska's top defensive player. Kanya may recognition naman ito si Bong Ravena to drive on Gomez.
Well, nasa penalty na po ang Alaska Milk. As a matter of fact, sobra-sobra na sa penalty. 7 team foul na ang nakukomit nitong Alaska. Kanya't bibigyan na naman ng 2 pagkakataon sa Bong Ravena sa free throw line. Ang una ay pumasok at naibaba po niya ng bahagya. Yung nakalamangan ng Alaska, 19-12 is the count of 7-point lead.
Nabanggit mo yung 17 fouls ng Alaska. I think that's an indication that very aggressive ang depensa ng Alaska.
Well, sa kasalukuyan, lumalabang sila ng 6 na puntos. Ray Evangelista, medyo binubulabong si Jeffrey Carriazo.
Ito yung trap nila. And alam mo ito si Coach Chotres, he really is a smart cookie. Nakita niya wala na si Johnny Abarrientos and that's why he ordered the half-court trap.
Wow! Ponch Winyo! Nakita niya na medyo nag-reach in si Bong Ravena sa kanyang likod. And he came up with a real big exclamation point on that slam dunk. Medyo nakakapanlupay pa yun pagka ikaw ang kalaban dinepensahan mo ng todo-todo pagkatapos dinakdakan ka pa.
Walang problema kasi dito sa Pure Foods defense is that heavily concentrated na sila sa backcourt. So once you're able to break the half-court press, yun, makakawala yung malaki nila sa loob.
Well, medyo sumugal din kasi si Bong Ravena.
Yes.
Sumundot siya galing sa likod. Hindi naman niya nakuha yung bola. Arito si Bong Ravena. Binigay siya ng pick ni Ray Evangelista. Sumagsak sa loob. Bong Ravena. Siya pa rin. Wala pa rin. At tinapick ni Ruel Gomez kay Bong Hawkins. 21-13. 8-point lead by Alaska Milk. June Reyes. Bounce pass to Ruel Gomez. Gomez. Hawkins. Hawkins, good fake. Yes! Biggest lead in the ball game. A 10-pointer by Alaska Milk at 23-13. Narito si Dindo Pumaran. Nilabas kay Ravena. Balik ulit kay Pumaran. Pumaran with a 3-point shot. Wala! At dyan po nagwawakas ang unang yugto ng game number 5 of the Best of 7 Championship Series between Alaska and Pure Foods. The Milkmen have it 23-13.